Welcome back to the social class. Dear students, this is 8th standard social video class. We are going to start a new lesson today from Civics, lesson number 5, Road Safety Rules and Regulations, page number 198 from your textbook. Okay, you could see this picture, right? They have shown road and its vehicles on it, and no rules, no pain. No rules, no pain. Got it? Yes. Learning objectives. Understand the importance of road safety. We are going to learn how important the road safety, and we are going to understand what it is. Second one, analyze the causes for the road accidents. Why road accidents are occurring? We are going to analyze it. Third one, recognize the safety measures to be followed while driving. So, what are the safety measures we need to know while driving the vehicle on the road? Fourth one, develop skills to identify and respond to traffic hazards. So, we need to develop our skill and we need to identify to the traffic hazards, how the traffic hazards will be, okay, and how we need to respond towards it, okay. And the last one is, can move confidently and safely on road. By knowing all these things, we can move very confidently and safely on the road. So this is what we are going to learn in this lesson. So coming to introduction of the lesson. Our entire civilization has been based upon some of our extraordinary infrastructures which give us speed and connectivity. The roads are one of the most crucial inventions of man. In today's world, transport has become an integral part of every human being. Roads minimizes the distance, but on the other hand, road accidents injures lakhs of people and result in loss of lives. Road safety is primarily meant about to protect and provide security of all those who travel on roads. So in our entire civilization, so road is an extraordinary innovative by the mankind. So it connects all other places in a speedy way, right? Whenever we need to travel to some place, we choose some smooth roadway, isn't it? Right? Okay, it is an important and crucial invention of mankind. And today's world's transportation, a human being or very useful, making the transport very in a useful way. Okay, road minimizes the distance. Okay, where if you want to go to some places, the road transportation is minimizing the distance for us. Okay, and through this road transportation, many lakhs and lakhs of people are getting injured due to road accidents. Okay, and sometimes it results in loss of life also. Okay, so we are going to learn. So, what are the securities provided and what are the protection we should have while traveling on road? Now, we are going to see importance of road safety. Every day, the newspapers report of accidents of road and mishaps occurring frequently. So, every day we see in newspapers, televisions, WhatsApp, many road accidents are happening. Frequently, it happens, right? Road accidents are undesired events that led to injury or death. So, road accidents are undesirable one, right? Sometimes it leads to injury for us, or sometimes it leads in a death. These deaths and injuries result in significant social and economic cost. So this result in economic cost, it results in injury and death. The problem does not lie with roads. It is our carelessness that results in such misfortune. So the problem is not on the road, but the carelessness in us. Okay, only due to our carelessness, road accidents occur. Got it? The loss of life results in the loss of livelihood. A traffic is a heterogeneous mix of slow moving as well as high speed vehicles, which is the cause for the problem. So, moving slowly on the road, okay, as well as moving with a very high speed on the road causes problem, okay. So here you could see the picture having accident, right? So two cars are getting crashed. Direct consequences of accidents. So this is called as what? Direct consequences of accident. Fatality, that is death, okay, injury, property damage. Sometimes there will not be any life loss or injury, but the property, the car or the vehicle will be very damaged. Got it? Yes. Reasons for the road accidents. We are going to see why road accidents happen, the reason behind it. First one is overspeed. Okay, going in a very speed way on road causes what? Accident. The first reason, isn't it? The higher the speed, greater the risk. எவ்வளோ ஸ்பீடாக போகிறோமோ அவ்வளோ நமக்கு என்னது? ரிஸ்க் இல்லையா? Most of the fatal accidents occur due to over speeding. Okay, so fatality we saw. Fatality means what? Death. Okay, most of the death accidents occur due to what? Over speeding on the road. Increase in speed multiplies the risk of accident and severity of injury during an accident. So when we increase the speed of our vehicle, it results in high injury to us or it results in death, okay, risk of our life. Okay, tailgating is illegal and dangerous habit. That is driving too close behind a vehicle. That is called as what? Tailgating. Okay, ஒரு வண்டிக்கு பின்னாடியே நம்ம ஒட்டி வண்டி ஓட்டிகிட்டே போனோம்னா அது என்னது? அதுக்கு பேர் tailgating. So that occurs what? Accident. So we should not drive a vehicle in a tailgating. Okay, we should have some distance between one vehicle and another vehicle while traveling on the road. Second one is drunken driving. So we all know drunken driving, like having alcohol and driving is very dangerous, isn't it? Consumption of alcohol reduces concentration. When you consume alcohol, it reduces what? Your concentration. Got it? It hampers vision due to dizziness. Okay, when you get dizziness, மயக்கம் வரும்பொழுது நமக்கு என்ன ஆகுது? நம்மளோட பார்வை குறையுது. Got it? So while driving, our eye vision should be very clear. When we have alcohol, we get what? Dizziness, மயக்கம் வருது இல்லையா? Because of that, our vision is getting hampered. Okay, and driving under the influence of alcohol causes accident. Okay, when the driver is drunken, it definitely causes accidents. Random breath test is done to detect consumption of alcohol. You could see in many movies and many pictures, okay, while driving, okay, if the driver is driving in a rash way, okay, the traffic police will stop them and they will check their breath test whether they have drunken or not. Okay, next one is distraction to drivers. Distraction could be outside or inside the vehicle. So what is distraction? Distraction is nothing but disturbances. Okay, when you have disturbance not only outside but inside the vehicle also. The major distraction nowadays is talking on mobile phones while driving. We could see many people, right, while driving their vehicle they use mobile phones. Okay, they are talking and going, right? That causes what? Accidents. Okay, the act of talking on phone occupies a major portion of the brain's function and the smaller part handles the driving skills. When you talk and go, right, your concentration gets varied. Your brain will function in a smaller part and that will be concentrating on the talking of only, right? Talking through phone only, but not on the driving skill. Okay, some other distractions are inattentive or lost in thoughts, that is daydreaming. Sometimes while driving we dream something, we think about something and we drive. That time what occurs? Accident occurs. Adjusting mirrors while driving, stereo in vehicle, animals on road, banners and billboards, etc. These causes what? Accidents. Okay, while driving we should not adjust the mirror. Okay, before we could start driving itself we should adjust the mirror and start driving. Okay, and hearing music inside the car or while driving in the two-wheeler, hearing music in your headphones and all will cause what? Accidents. Okay, having animals on the road will cause accidents. Okay, banners, sometimes banner may fall down, okay, on the vehicle, right? Sometimes billboards may fall down on the vehicle. That causes what? Accidents. Next one is red light jumping. The main motive behind red light jumping is saving time. So we could see signal, right? Red, orange and green. That is orange is otherwise called as amber color, right? So studies have shown that traffic signals followed properly by all the drivers saves time and computers reach destinations safely and on time. When we follow traffic rules on the road, we definitely save our life. Okay, we definitely drive safely and also we could reach our destination safely as well as on time, isn't it? Avoiding safety gears. Use of seat belt in four-wheelers and helmets for two-wheelers have been brought under law. While four-wheeler, that is in car, we should definitely use what? Seat belt in order to avoid injuries while accident. Okay, and while driving two-wheeler we should wear what? Helmet, right? It has been imposed as a law by the government, isn't it? Yes, these two things reduce the severity of injury during accidents. When we wear seat belt and wear helmet in four-wheeler and two-wheeler, it avoids much injury for us while accident occurs. Okay, other different factors. We'll see what are the other different factors. First one is drivers. Overspeeding, rash driving, violation of rules, failure to understand signs, fatigue and consumption of alcohol. So other factors. First one, for drivers, when we overspeed the vehicle or when we rash drive the vehicle, when we violate the rules, okay, when we don't follow the rules of the road, okay, that causes what? Accidents. Failure to understand the sign. We have lot of signboards on the road, okay, we should understand the sign of that. If we fail to understand that, that causes what? Accident. Okay, fatigue and consumption of alcohol. Fatigue is nothing but dizziness, okay, mayakam varadu, okay, due to consumption of alcohol. Due to this, accident occurs. Second one is pedestrian. So what is pedestrians? Those are walking on the road are called as what? Pedestrians, isn't it? Carelessness, illiteracy, crossing at wrong places, moving on roads and jaywalkers. Okay, we should not have carelessness while walking on the road. Okay, because of illiterate people, because of uneducation, many doesn't know the signboard. Okay, while crossing they'll be crossing in a wrong place. Got it? Okay, third one is passengers. Projecting their body outside the vehicle by talking to drivers, traveling on footboards, catching a running bus, etc. So passengers, we could see in many buses, okay, they'll be putting their head outside of the bus. That will cause what? Accident. And they'll be keep on talking to the drivers and distracting them. That will cause accident. Traveling on footboard, they'll be traveling on the footboard, right? Bus padikatla ninittu travel pandrathu. That causes what? Accidents. Okay, catching a bus in a running way. When running bus, okay, we should not catch bus while it is running. That will cause accident definitely. D point is vehicles. failure of brakes or steering, tire burst, inefficient headlights, overloading and projecting loads. So failure of brakes and steering may cause what? Accidents. Okay, tire burst. Sometimes the tire may have a full of air, okay, and the huge of load on the bus. Because of that, the tire may get burst during run on the running way. Insufficient headlights may not working during night time, okay, and overloading and over projecting the loads will cause accidents. E point, road condition. Damaged road, potholes, eroded road, merging of rural road with highways, diversion and illegal speed breakers. So the road condition should be very good, isn't it? Okay, the damaged road will cause accident definitely. Okay, some roads will merge with rural roads. Okay, highways, diversion roads, okay, illegal speed breakers will cause definitely accident. And the last point is weather condition. Fog, snow, heavy rainfall, wind, storms and hailstorms will cause accidents. Next, safety measures. What are the safety measures we need to take in order to avoid accident? First one is always keep to the left while driving. Okay, while driving we should always keep to the left side only. Keep to the left and allow vehicles to pass from the opposite direction. So when they are coming in the opposite direction, we should leave space for them to come and cross the road. Got it? Second point. Slow down on bends and turns. Wherever bends and turns come in roadways, we should slow down at that moment. A very important thing to keep in mind is to become cautious and slow down on the bends. Whenever the bends come, we need to cautiously slow down the vehicle whenever we turn in the bend area. Third one, use helmets. Make it a habit of strapping and helmet before mounting the bikes. Whenever we stepping out from our house to take two-wheeler, what we should do? We should have helmet whenever we ride two-wheelers. Got it? Yes. So next is never exceed the speed limit. We should not exceed the speed limit at all. The speed limit is related to the traffic condition of the area. In some areas, the speed limit should be very limited. Okay, they will be having a signboard that this area speed limit is only 30 kilometer. Okay, only 30 kilometer speed you should go. Only 20 kilometer speed you should go. Some signboards will be there. So we should be very conscious in order to follow those. Okay, so maintain speed limit. Next point, maintain the right distance. We should have a right distance between one vehicle and another vehicle. Collisions occur because we do not maintain adequate distance from the vehicle in the front. For example, if a bus or a van is going in front of our two-wheeler, we should have some distance between that bus and our two-wheeler. If we drive very closely to that, suddenly the bus or that van will be having brake and we tend to crash on it, and that causes what? Accident. So maintain a safe distance from the bigger vehicles. Keep out of their blind spot, an area not seen through the rear view and wing mirror. Okay. Park the vehicles only along the designated parking ways or zones, not on the sides of the highways. Use parking lights and caution triangle while attending breakdowns. So whenever our vehicle gets breakdowns, so that time we should use what? Triangle signboard. We should keep the triangle signboard near our vehicle in order to avoid accidents. Okay. Next one, follow the road signs. Road signs are mostly pictorial, so it is not hard to comprehend. Even illiteracy can come to know through road signs. So we should follow some road signs also. Some other safety tips are never ever drive. Okay, Some of the safety tips are: never ever drive. We should not never ever drive when drunk. Never use cell phone while driving. Avoid listening to too loud music. Check your mirrors before changing lanes. Always wear seat belts. Always remain calm while driving and never yell or shout at pedestrian or other drivers. So, other safety tips, whatever it is, we should not drunk and drive. Okay, we should not use cell phone while driving. Okay, we should not listen to the loud music. Okay, and we should always check our mirrors while changing the line, that is road cross பண்ணும்போது whenever we cross the road we should check our mirror whether any other vehicle is coming behind our vehicle, so that we cannot go we will not go and dash on it, we will not go and crash on the other vehicle. Got it? And we should not shout or yell at other pedestrians, those who are crossing the road and all. Okay, next point, for pedestrians, cross only at zebra crossings. Only the pedestrians are supposed to cross on zebra crossing alone. The 2-minute time that you waste for the signals are worth your life. Okay, when we stand in traffic signal, that doesn't waste. Okay, that is not waste of standing 2 minutes in signal will save our life definitely. Never cross on red and yellow light. Take a sidewalk and avoid walking on the roads. Got it? Next one, emergency number 108. It is a free emergency service providing integrated medical, that is ambulance, okay, police and fire service. If you find any victim on road, don't panic. Call 108 for help and 103 for traffic accidents. Got it? These are very important numbers. Okay, children, we'll just wind up to this. Next class, we shall continue from these road signs. Thank you and take care.